everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another wig review, and yes, it's been a little while since I've done a wig review, but I'm back with this affordable headband wig from Wowigshair. So we're going to get into all the details, starting off with the packaging. You're going to get this lovely box right here, and then in the box you're going to get care instructions, just letting you know how to care for your wigs, and it's going to include all of their social media information as well. And then of course you're going to get the wig. Mine's came in this nice little bag, and also they gave me 2 headbands, and these are really nice headbands, pretty good quality. Let's talk about the wig. This is going to be their curly virgin human hair Cassie headband wig, okay? And this wig right here is in the 1B natural color, and of course you pretty much know how the construction goes for a headband wig. For this one you're going to get combs, and then of course you're going to have that strap to go ahead and put your headband wig in place. Now, as far as my hair, I do have my hair in a middle part ponytail. It's good to wear your hair this way underneath the headband wig if you have thin edges and you still want to have some edges out. So it's pretty simple, and it will lay nice and flat underneath the headband wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put on 2 wig caps. You don't have to do that. You can use your wig grip, but I like to put on 2 wig caps, and then we're going to go ahead and put the wig on, and I'm just going to show you guys how it looks straight out of the box. Okay, so here is how the wig is looking straight out of the box. This is some thick hair. I believe this is 150% density. They do have 180% density, but yeah, I believe this is the 150% density, and it is thick, so you will need to tame this hair, and I'm gonna do that using water, and I'm also gonna use some conditioner, but you can use whatever you choose to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to go ahead and tame this and calm it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna try on the first headband. So you will need to use quite a bit of product to make sure you're getting all of the hair moisturized, and this hair will dry quickly, so you have to work pretty fast. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put on the first headband and just show you guys the first style, which is just this basic style, which is beautiful. Is the next style, and I just have it up, and I did the best I could, but I think that this looks really pretty. So while I'm showing you guys the last 2 styles, I'll just go ahead and give you guys my overall opinion of this hair. I didn't get any shedding, nor did I get any tangling when I was styling the hair, and I think that this hair is beautiful, it's thick, and also I think that it's fair for the price, and the cap size is a medium, and it fits really nicely, but you can pick what cap size is going to work for you. So I think that if you're a beginner and you just want something simple, and I think that this is good for this time of year, because again, like I said, it is quite a bit of hair. This is definitely something that you guys should try out. So I will leave the links in the description bar to this wig and also Wowig social media information. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.